Before you buy land in Cameroon, there's one thing you must never skip, and that is verification. My name is Buea. I'm a real estate consultant specialized in land banking. I help people, especially Cameroonians abroad and smart investors here in Cameroon, buy land safely without stress. Now, many people lose money in real estate not because land is bad. It is simply because they don't verify properly. In this video, I will show you how to verify land properly in simple steps. Step 1. Check the land title. Make sure it has a genuine land title and the name on the document matches the name of the seller. Step 2. Confirm ownership. Make sure you don't just hear what they told you. You verify if the person selling the property to you is the actual owner or has a right to sell the property. Step 3. Visit the land physically. Make sure you visit the land physically, or if you are a Cameroonian abroad, then you get someone you trust to go and visit the land physically and make sure there's no dispute over the land. Step 4. Check the location. Make sure the land is not on a risky area like road expansion zones or government acquisition areas. Step 5, which is the final step, work with professionals. Work with someone who knows the process and will guide you through it. Working with someone experienced can save you from a lot of stress and will save you from a lot of costly mistakes. This is exactly what I do for my clients. I help them verify land, check documents, and make sure everything is safe before allowing them to invest their hard-earned money. So even if you are a Cameroonian abroad, you don't need to be physically present to buy a land in Cameroon. You just need a proper guidance and someone you can trust. So if you are planning to buy land here in Cameroon, especially in the city of Buea, and you are afraid to make these costly mistakes, then send me a message on WhatsApp via the numbers on my screen, and I will guide you step by step and will save you from making these costly mistakes. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate tips.